Adding and subtracting complex numbers. When we add complex numbers, we add the real parts of the complex number and then we add the complex parts. You can't add a complex part to a real part or vice versa. For example, if we have a plus bi plus c plus di, that would be the same thing as separating out a and c to become a plus c plus bi and di to become bi plus di. And then you would simplify it from there to become a plus c plus b plus d I. And this will make more sense when we do the actual problems. The same thing works with subtraction. So we could have a plus bi minus c plus di. Separate out the real parts, a minus c, plus, then we separate out the complex parts, bi minus di, and then we simplify it, a minus c plus b minus di. So let's put this into practice with some examples.